Very good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome back to our maths period. Children, this session I am going to continue this chapter, that is chapter number 10, equation. Okay. So in this lesson we discussed about what is meant by equation, what is meant by variables, and how we have to solve a equation, that also we studied, isn't it children? So practice set 27 is going on. See here children, practice set 27. Fourth question is solve the following equation. Here total 8 sums are there. So already we solved 4 sums. Okay. Remaining 4 sum I will solve today. Understood children? Yes, practice set 27. Fourth question, that is fifth sum. That is, this is your sum. P upon 4 is equal to 9. This is the equation. Isn't it children? P upon 4 is equal to 9. Children, can anyone say here in this equation what is variable? Yes, P is the variable. So this P value we have to find. That is what? So when we will solve the equation, we will get value of P. Okay children? See here the question here, divide is there. So question division is there, P upon 4. So we have to find the value of P. So here this 4 we have to remove. Isn't it children? So here division is there in your question here. So on both sides we have to multiply by 4. Okay. So if the question division is there, then what we have to do? Yes, both sides we have to do multiply. Isn't it children? So see here that first step here I have written P upon 4 into 4. Then only we can, yes, remove this 4. Isn't it children? So at the same time, right hand side also you have to multiply by 4. Okay. So see here, I hope you understood this step. P upon 4 into 4 is equal to 9 into 4. So here this one you have to write in your notebook, multiplying both sides by 4. Okay children, see here, next one is, yes, this step. So P here 4, this is what? Numerator, and here this one is a denominator. So here I have written P into 4 upon 4 into 1. Okay, numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator is equal to 9 4s are 36. Is equal to 9 4s are 36. So now see here children, this 4, yes, this step you have to say, this 4 we can cancel it. Okay. So 1P, that means P is equal to 36. And another way, see here children, one more method. So after this step you can write, you can cancel this 4. So P is equal to 36. This also you can do. Okay children. So I hope you understood this one. So children, did you understand this one? Yes, P is equal to what? 36. This is your answer. Okay. And the sixth one is, yes, sixth one, that question is x plus 10 is equal to 5. This is the equation. Okay. Here variable is x. You have to find the x value. Okay children. So see here the question, which one is there? Addition is there. So this 10 we have to remove. For that on both sides you have to subtract. Okay. Subtracting 10 from both sides. So x plus 10, see here children, I have written this. Next step I have written that question here, and extra this one I have written, that means minus 10 is equal to this 5 I have written here. Yes, minus 10. Okay, on both sides I have written minus 10. Okay. So see here, when we will, next one is what? This one, 0. Okay. So x plus 0 is equal to 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10, see here children, what is your answer? Yes, 10 minus 5 is 5, but what is the answer of 5 minus 10? Yes, minus 5. One is positive, one is negative, then we have to subtract, and which sign will come? Yes, greater number sign, that is minus. Okay children, so x is equal to, what is your answer? Minus 5. Okay. And the seventh one is, Seventh one is, this is your question here, m minus 5 is equal to minus 12. Here which value we have to find? Very good, m value we have to find. Okay, so see here, yes, here minus 5, so on both sides we have to add 5. On both sides we have to add what? 5. Okay children, so next one is what? M minus 5 plus 5 is equal to this minus 12 I have written here, and extra one is what? Plus 5. Okay, so this one is what? This is the value is what? 0. So m plus 0 is equal to, next one you have to see here children, this minus 12 plus 5. One is positive number, one is negative number. So what is the rule then? We have to subtract, and which sign will come? Yes, greater number sign, that is 12 sign. Okay, that is greater number is what here? 12. What is the sign of 12? Very good, minus. So minus 7. Okay children, so m plus 0 is equal to minus 7. So value of m is equal to minus 7. Understood children? Here I have written this also, adding 5 to both sides. Understood now? So I hope you understood this one. Children, see here, next one is that last sum, that is 8th one. P plus 4 is equal to minus 1. This is your question here. Okay, so see here children, variable is this one, this value we have to find, and here plus 4 is there, so on both sides you have to write minus 4. Understood children? So I have written here subtracting 4 from both sides. So P plus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Yes, minus 4. Okay children, so this one see here, the value of this plus 4 minus 4, that is 0. So P plus 0 is equal to, see here, right hand side minus 1 minus 4. Both numbers are negative. Okay, same sign. So you have to add that two number, and which sign will come? Negative sign will come. So minus 5. Okay children, yes, so what is the value of P here? P is equal to minus 5. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Shall we go to next? Children, say here, next one is write the given information as an equation and find its solution. Okay, so if you are getting one information, through that information first we have to make a make a equation. Okay, so afterwards we have to what? We have to solve the equation. Understood children? See here one example here I have given, that is Jasmine has some money. Okay, that Jasmine she has some money. Mother gave her 7 rupees. Mother gave her 7 rupees. Jasmine now has 10 rupees. Okay, so first the Jasmine has some money. Afterwards mother has given some that 7 rupees. So now Jasmine has 10 rupees. So your question is, how much did she has to start with? So in first, how much of money she had, that we have to find. Okay children, so here easily you can guess the answer, but that you have to make an equation, afterwards solve the equation. Understood children? See here, so here first you have to take a variable. Which one we have to find, that we have to take a variable. Take as a variable. Okay children? So children, here can you say which one we have to find? Already that Jasmine had how much of money, that we have to find. So Jasmine had that how much of money, that we have to take as the variable. Okay children, see here, let us suppose Jasmine had A rupees. See here, this one we have to find. This one I have taken a variable, that is A. Okay, you can take X, Y, Z, any alphabet. Okay children, so let us suppose Jasmine had A rupees. This A value we have to find. So through the sum you will make a, yes, see here children, this one is that Jasmine had A rupees. So that starting, that is A plus mother gave her 7 rupees. So A plus 7 is equal to total, how much she had now? Yes, 10 rupees. She is having 10 rupees. Okay. So A plus 7 is equal to 10. Okay children. So children, first one is what? Which one we have to find? That we have to take as the variable. Okay. Afterwards, you have to make a equation through your question. From your question, you have to make a equation. Okay children. So A plus 7 is equal to 10. I hope you understood this one, how we have to make. Yes, next one is what? We have to solve an equation. Okay. So A plus 4 plus 7. So here what you have to do? A plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 10 minus 7. Understood? So on both sides we have to subtracting 7 from both sides. Okay children. So this one value is what? 0. A plus 0 is equal to 3. So A is equal to what? 3. So here A is what? That Jasmine had this much rupees. A rupees. Isn't it children? So your answer is what? Jasmine had 3 rupees at start. That is your answer. Okay. So children, now we will solve the word problem. So through that word problem, you will make an equation. You have to, which one you have to find, that you have to take as a variable. Okay children. And next one is, yes, based on that question you have to make a equation. Okay. So from that equation you have to find the value of variable. That is your answer. Okay. Shall I start now? So practice set 27. Fifth question is, write the given information as an equation and find its solution. So from this word problem you have to make a equation. Afterwards you have to make what? You have to solve that equation. So see here children, Haraba owns some sheep. Okay. And after selling 34 of them in the market, see here, he still has 176 sheep. How many sheep did Haraba have at first? So children, understood the question here? See here, Haraba, one boy, he owns, yes, some sheep that we don't know. How much of sheep, that we don't know. After selling 34 of them. So selling means what? Subtraction. Okay. Selling 34 of them in the market, he still has 176 sheep. Okay children. So how many sheep did Haraba have at first? We have to find. So this one, that Haraba, how much of? Yes, how many sheep did that Haraba have, that we have to find, that we have to take as a variable. Okay children. See here, that solution, let the number of sheep before selling be X. So before selling, how much of sheep Haraba was having, that we have to take as what? X. That is the variable. Okay. And afterwards what? Yes, X minus. So total number of sheep minus how much of selling? 34. So minus 34. Okay children. So he was selling that 34 sheep to the market. That's why here I have written X. That means X is what? Total number of sheep, and this one is what? Selling to the market. That's why X minus 34 is equal to, after selling, yes, how much of sheep? Yes, he was having, that is 176. Okay children. So based on that information you have to make a equation. X minus 34 is equal to 176. I hope you understood this one. Why here X, why here minus? Yes, here selling, that 34 sheep was selling. That's why here minus 34. After selling, he has how much of how many sheep? That is 176. Okay children. Now see here, this is the equation. Yes, first we got to make what? Which one we got to find? That we got to make as, that we got to take as the variable. Afterwards we got to make a equation. Hereafter it is so easy, we got to solve the equation. So X minus 34 is equal to 176. On both sides you have to add 34. Isn't it children? Yes, then only we can find X value. So X minus 34, X minus 34 plus 34 is equal to 176 plus 34. Adding 34 to both sides. Okay. See here children, next step is, see here, this one is what, x plus this is equal to, you have to add this two number c. Yes, x plus 0 is equal to 210. 210. So x is equal to 210. Understood children? Yes. So your answer is what? X is equal to 210. X is what? Yes, the number of sheep with haraba before selling is 210. Understood? So children, if you are getting hereafter, I hope you will get that if you are getting any information, you can make a equation. Isn't it children? Yes. See here. So if you are getting any word problem, read the word problem and you have to make a equation. Okay. Before that, which one you have to find, that you have to take as a variable. Afterwards, make a equation, and afterwards what we have to do, solve the equation. Understood children? So you have to do practice in your home. Understood? So thank you children. Sai Ram.